Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines luxury cruising with its hotel-style decor and cutting-edge German tech. This RV redefines comfortable, stylish travel for wealthy, tech-savvy tourists. External design and performance. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's exterior radiates contemporary style. The aerodynamic body's sleek lines, sculpted front fascia, and illuminated three-pointed star insignia all testify to its ancestry. Views of the landscape are enhanced by big panoramic windows and headlamps with adjustable LED digital lights. The 48-volt mild hybrid system and high-torque 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine provide efficiency and rapid reaction. Available plug-in hybrids provide limited all-electric mobility for zero-emission city access. The 9G Tronic automatic transmission enables smooth acceleration, and the AR-matic air suspension provides a comfortable ride on any route. Interior design and details. The interior of the RV has an innovative design and high-end materials. The open living space has hand-finished Napa leather, natural walnut wood, and touches of polished metal. Any mood can be created with 64 color ambient LED lights. A huge lounge area has power-adjustable seats that can be transformed into a queen-size bed, a retractable entertainment console with a 55-inch UHD display, and Burmester 3D surround sound. Kitchen dining. There is a flush-mounted induction stove in the gourmet kitchen, combining a microwave and convection oven, intelligent refrigerator with full-size freezer, beautiful glass cabinets with lighting sink made of stainless steel with a pull-out sprayer. The adjacent dining space has an extended table and 4 upholstered benches, bathroom and private suite, a rainfall shower, frameless glass doors, a backlit anti-fog mirror, heated tile flooring, and premium brushed steel fixtures give the bathroom the appearance of a spa. A separate bedroom suite includes a memory foam, king-size bed, reading lamps, and spacious wardrobes. Networking and technology. The next-generation Mercedes-Benz user experience, MBUX, in this motorhome includes two 12.8-inch OLED screens, a natural language-speaking voice assistant, navigation in real time, using satellite imagery, integration of smart homes for remote control of lights, appliances, and temperature-fast Wi-Fi and access to 5G safety and help for drivers. Advanced technologies for assisting drivers facilitate long-distance travel. Disruptive adaptive cruise control, beneficial direction, 360-degree steering, 3D camera evasion, auto parking pilot, stabilization of crosswinds, efficiency and sustainability. Interior systems are powered by solar panels put on the roof, and pollutants and fuel consumption are decreased via a hybrid drivetrain and regenerative braking. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is the ultimate in luxury mobility because to its unmatched performance, innovation, and workmanship. Its design, practicality, and peaceful comfort make it ideal for strolling along the lonely seaside or traveling on Europe's main highways.